Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making infused chicken broccoli Alfredo and some infused cheesy bread. Make sure to puff press that like button. Let's get into it. So yes, it's 2 in the morning and I can't sleep. So I'm like, what better way than to absolutely knock myself out? I started off by cutting some fresh broccoli, which I will be putting in the oven to roast using my infused roasted garlic olive oil. I will add a link in the description to that video so that you'll know how to make it yourself if you haven't already watched that video previously. In this pot, I got some pasta water boiling and make sure to salt it really nicely with some sea salt. Then I'm going to get my chicken breast all trimmed up and cut down because after all, it is just me, so one breast would be more than enough. Just going to season these up very simply. Some sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and then some Italian seasoning. Don't need too much. Don't need too much. Just make sure to get all sides of the chicken, of course. So I was going to get my mise en place together for the bread and for the Alfredo sauce, but when I opened up my can of butter, the bottoms of it was moldy. So I'm like, ew, yeah, no, we're going to throw these out and then we're going to use regular butter, okay? And regular olive oil because, no, I don't need that roasted garlic olive oil everywhere. Coming along nicely. Give them a flip and get started on this bread. I decided to make this meal because I already had everything in the fridge. So I'm like, yeah, perfect. Had this bread in the fridge. As you can see, I had caught it on sale earlier and I make croutons with it. So now I'm like, perfect. We can take some fresh can of butter that I did have and paint it onto the bread. I'm like, oh yeah, this is about to be nice. When the bread started turning green, I'm like, yeah, dangerous. It absorbed in that bread like a sponge. I mean, just look at this drastic color change. Put some mozzarella on it. We're going to put some Parmesan cheese on it. And then you got to season it, of course. But first, let me check on this chicken. And let me add some pasta into this water so we can get everything finished around the same time. It's just me. We're going to try to use like half of it because I do want some for later. And I want my boo to try it, okay? Just gonna hit the bread with the same seasonings as the chicken and then get that in the oven when we're ready because the broccoli's still in the oven. Just moving out the way. So the chicken is developing some nice color, getting me some nice juices for the base of this Alfredo too. Gonna cut up a lemon, gonna get some butter cut up, and then gonna take out my chicken and start working on this sauce. Now that my butter is fully melted, I'm going to hit it with some heavy whipping cream and then start using my handy dandy silicone whisk. As this heats up, I'm going to hit it with some seasonings along the way. This time I'm using sea salt, black pepper, paprika, and then some lemon juice. And then we're going to hit it with the grated Parmesan little by little so that it doesn't seize. I made a little mess right here, but look at the flick of the wrist. The sauce has come together nicely. It's starting to get thick, and now I'm going to add my pasta in there, and that'll also help it thicken up just a little bit more as those starches break down into that sauce, and the noodles will start absorbing that delicious, creamy goodness. Ooh, it's looking so good. Put that into a bigger pot so I could really stir it around because we still got the chicken to add, still got the broccoli to add. Mind you, this broccoli is infused. This cheesy bread is infused. Ooh, it's going to be so good. But see, the key to making deliciously infused food is not to infuse every single thing. If I wanted to, yes, I could have made the noodles, infused the Alfredo, infused the chicken. But you know what that would create? You can see the green in there. A super potent infused bowl of nastiness. So if you just be moderate with it, you'll still get highest dog shit. But it'll be delicious. Let's go sneak up on me. And you can barely tell. That's crazy. Get some chicken. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm stuffing myself, but it's just so fucking good. And the bread. Mmm. Mmm. Probably, for sure, my most favorite thing I've ever infused, ever. Like, pizza, breakfast pizza, good. Cakes, drinks, delicious. Nothing is topping this infused cheesy bread and this infused chicken broccoli Alfredo. I'm already feeling kind of funny. Damn. Damn. While y'all watch these bloopers, let me tell y'all about the aftermath. I have never been tranquilized to that extent in my life off of an edible, and it was absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell button so that you do catch me when I post, and I hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all next time. Bye.